Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox blue box. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox blue box, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox. When you'll find this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click on clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. You can update your Roblox on your Play Store, then you can fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.